So, hello, this is my output for AED 332. It's early in the morning and I am going to cook awayan for lunchtime. So, I will show and then demonstrate to you how to cook adobo. Let's go! Let's go! I will introduce to you the ingredients and what are needed to cook for adobo. So, here, I have here, of course, oil, iodized salt, magic sarap, and bay leaves, onion leaves, minced garlic, minced ginger, and sliced onions. So, let's go. Then we will going to need soy sauce and vinegar from Salvers One, and salt, historical salt, kay dugay na kayo. Plus a glass of water. Then, of course, our dressed chicken. Its quality and brand new. So first, let's on the fire. Mantika. Let's go. First to put is the minced ginger. Then, followed by minced garlic. Then, isunod nyo na din yung sliced onions. So, the three ingredients is being toasted. Let us put now our quality chicken. So, let it saute for a better taste. I'm back. The next step, add the water. After you add the water, you may now put the salt. Bale, tansyahan na lang. Okay? Understood? Understood. The magic sarap. The iodized salt. Then, we have to put the soy sauce. Soy sauce. So, we are going to put a spoonful, 1 spoonful of soy sauce. Add a little more. Okay. Then, in this part, we are not yet going to put the vinegar. For a better taste, I'll explain later. Ang ilagay natin ngayon is the green peppers. Then, the bay leaves. So many bay leaves. Also, let us not forget the pepper. Ta. So another spoonful, but this time vinegar naman. Kanina soy sauce yun eh. So after a few minutes, this is the final look of my adobo.